Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Merge Garden on your phone. So let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your App Store. Now depending on your device, it will be either the Google Play Store or the App Store if you are on iOS. Now once you're in your App Store, in the search bar at the top, type in Merge Garden. And just hit search. Now the Merge Garden game by FuturePlay will pop up. To download and install the app, just tap on Install or Get depending on your device. Now you can tap on the icon to view its details too. You can read about the games here. Now the app will download and install automatically, but depending on your internet speed, it might take some minutes. Once the download is complete, you can just tap on Play to launch the game. And that's it. You have downloaded and launched the Merge Garden game. If you face any confusion while following the step, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to get back to you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.